Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Dyson vacuum cleaners and we're going to replace the battery on our V6, also known as the DC59. Let's get started. Alright DIYers, at the workstation now in front of us is the V6 Dyson vacuum cleaner, also known as the DC59. The very first thing you want to do is empty it. This little red tab here, push down, make sure you're over a trash. That will lower the cap. And what I want you to do is push this tab down a second time and remove this entire plastic casing or chamber from the vacuum cleaner. And as you do that, just carefully turn it just a little bit and the two come right apart. Some Dyson owners may not know these two pieces come apart. From here, come to the bottom side. At an angle, you will see your first Phillips screw. Grab a small Phillips screwdriver. Carefully remove that Phillips screw without stripping it. It is small. Do your best not to drop it or lose it. On the back side of your handle, just above the connection where your power cord goes in to charge your battery, is an additional Phillips screw. Go ahead and carefully remove that. If you have a magnetic tip on your screwdriver, it is much more friendly. However, sometimes you just got to tap the screw out of that hole. There it is. Same exact size screw as your first one. From here, carefully wiggle your battery back and forth, and it just comes right out of your handle base. Inside there are the electrical leads that connect your battery to your vacuum cleaner to power your vacuum cleaner. Set that aside. Let's go grab the new battery. New battery in hand, and this was only about $25 on Amazon. Realign the battery. And what we'll do is reverse the steps and re-secure the two Phillips screws. Do your absolute best not to cross thread these screws as you insert them and secure them. They should go in very smoothly. If they don't, back them out, realign them, and re-secure them. After securing those two screws, grab your plastic casing or chamber. You've got a tab right here that actually aligns itself to this little slot opening right here, just above the inlet or in line with the inlet. Make sure that that tab goes in that slot and realign down below here and push it in place until it clicks and secures itself. Just like that. Make sure your bottom cap is secured, and now we'll go test it. And I bet the battery needs to be charged. However, we're going to see if it works. And that works perfectly. What we'll do is charge the battery now so it's fully charged so we can clean the house tomorrow. Hopefully this helps DIYers. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.